Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I will be using Glo Orange antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. This calls for full strength for disinfectant, but we're just doing general cleaning, so y'all already know what I'm going to be doing here. Let's go on over to the cloud cam. I don't expect clouds today because we're not using a pine cleaner, but we'll go on over there and see what's going on. Now over at the cloud cam, I'm going to add my 1/8 cup per gallon. As typical. And again, we're just doing the general cleaning. We're not trying to disinfect, just clean the dust off the floor. Let's go back over to the floor cam. Camera 1, that is. May have a little surprise here in a minute when I get started mopping. So as usual, 2 times. And I will wash out the mop between the 2 rounds. Got a little bit of suds. We got a nice citrusy orange scent. Not very heavy, but it's not bad. Appears to be spreading evenly, so that's good news. And that is round 1. Let's go for round 2. I'm seeing some water starting to turn a little darker, so that's a good thing. And there is round 2 completed. Here's a look at the after mop water. It did pick up quite a bit of dirt. So this is a pretty good cleaner. And for the price, I'd buy it again. Once again, Glo Orange antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. Thank you for watching.